What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Find the missing numbers 1 through 9 for each square so that every row, column, and diagonal have the same sum. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So the first thing you got to do here is figure out what is that magic sum. If you've done one of these puzzles before, you know the magic sum. If you haven't, the way to do it is you got 9 numbers, 1 through 9. Add them all up. It actually adds up to 45, and then divide by 3 because we're putting these all in groups of 3, right? 3 this way, etc. 45 divided by 3 ends up being 15. So that's our magic sum. You can also tell that from this column that's fully filled out. 2 plus 7 plus 6 is 15. Okay. So that's the magic sum. In the diagonal, we got 2 and 8. That adds to 10. That means we need a 5 in the middle. 6 and 8 add to 14. That means we need a 1 right here. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus what gives me 15? That would be 9 right here. 2 plus 9 is 11. That means we need a 4 to get to 15. Last but not least, 4 plus 8 is 12. We're missing a 3. And that is how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.